Welcome to the latest edition of Relationship Tips. Today's topic, the setup question. Have you ever experienced this? You're quietly checking emails and out of the blue your partner asks a question. Immediately your body tenses. You're suddenly filled with apprehension and dread. You've just been asked the setup question. You know, the kind of question where you're certain she has an answer in mind and you'd better guess correctly or run the risk of disappointing her. The setup question sounds like this. How do you see our relationship evolving over the next 5 years? If you find yourself struggling to answer questions like this, try the following tip. Say to your partner, it sounds like you have some ideas in mind about that. I'd like to hear what you're thinking. Or you might say, that's a good question. I want to think about that for a while so I can gather my thoughts. What did you have in mind? And if you're the one asking the question, consider the following tips. In general, men need more time transitioning from one thing to another. So start the conversation by saying, I have something I'd like to talk about. Is this a good time for you? When he accepts your invitation to talk, simply share your ideas about the topic, as opposed to asking a question that you've had time to think about. It might sound like this. I've been thinking about a vision for our relationship over the next few years, and I'd like to share it with you. And if you have any ideas about our future, I'd love to hear them as well. The truth is, no one can read your mind. Good communication is safe communication, where you both exchange ideas with openness and curiosity. Until next time, remember, change happens best when insight is combined with action.